Hey, everybody. Hope you're doing well. We've got a Pizzazz worksheet for you. We're reviewing how to add and subtract fractions. And these are all fractions with unlike denominators. All right, I'm going to be Mr. Williams today, your principal, right? There's two kinds of words that say principal. You pronounce them all. One ends in PLE, ends in PAL. The one that's a principal, like he's in charge of the school, he's your pal. Okay, so Principal Brian Williams, and you're going to say this is January 27th. How do we get so close to the end of the month already? And you're going to say that you have Mrs. Hong, fourth period, huh? All right, welcome, Miss Hong's fourth period class. Let's do this, okay? Now, some of you have a printer, and you're lucky. Okay, you should feel like you're rich if you have a working printer, because I don't. So most people are going to have to copy these 17 problems onto a piece of paper and then take a picture of it and submit with their answers, okay? But if you're lucky enough to have a printer, you can actually do work here, right? On all these, there's not room to do it, right? So you're going to put it on another piece of paper anyway. So most everybody's going to have another piece of paper. Some people don't have to copy these first four, right? The way you add or subtract fractions is you have to have a common denominator. I can't add fourths and fifths. I can't subtract ninths and sixths. I need to get a same number on the bottom. Okay, so first thing I do is see if the smaller number fits into the bigger one. 4 won't fit into 5. So those are right next to each other. The smallest number actually that they fit into is 4 times 5. So I'm going 20ths on these. Now, what did I do here? I did 4 times 5 to get 20. So I have to go 1 times 5. Now, how come I didn't say just put a 1 there? Because check this out. I want you to always say this times something, okay? Here I did 5 times 4 to get 20. I don't want to put a 4 there. So if you get in the habit of always saying, so I did 5 times 4, so I do 3 times 4. You'll keep yourself from making some mistakes, okay? So get in the habit. It takes another second, but then you're sure you got it right. So I have 5 of these 20ths plus 12 more of these 20ths is 17 20ths. Okay, now what do I do with my answer? Do each exercise, find your answer in one of the answer columns. Notice the word next to the answer. Write this word in the box containing the letter of the exercise. So the exercise is A. They put these in order for you. That was nice. Okay, but I have to go find 17 20ths. 17 20, there it is, the. Okay, so I'm going to write the in that first box. Did you hear about the? And then it's going to continue, right? I'm going to go and cross that out. Okay, then I go to the next problem. Okay, so I don't want to do any of those 3 there because those are already, I want to show you how you do a difficult one. Okay, let's do L. Okay, now you should probably do it in order, right? Write the first, right? But I'm going to go down to L just because you're watching this video. You should get rewarded with some of the hard ones, right? L is 7/10 minus 8/15. I have to find a number that 10 and 15 both go into. I can just go 10 times 15 and go 150, but I probably have to simplify when I'm done. More likely, sometimes you have to simplify anyway. I'm just going to find a smaller number because I know that 3 times 10 is 30 and 2 times 15 is 30. Now I said 2 times 15, so I got to go 2 times 8. I said 3 times 10, so I have to go 3 times 7. Now I have 21 of these 30ths, and I take away 16. That's going to leave me with 5 30ths. And I said that sometimes you have to simplify anyway. I do, huh? 5 goes into the top and the bottom of this answer. 5 goes into 5 one time, and it fits into 30 6 times. So if I found this 5 30ths, and I was pretty sure I did it right, and all of a sudden I can't find the answer anywhere, I say, did I do it wrong? No. If you can't find your answer and you're pretty sure you did it right, see if you can simplify your answer. Okay? So there it is there, 1/6. And that was L, right? L was 1/6. So I'm going to go find L and put the word mother there. Does that make sense? All right, again, since you're watching a video, I'm going to do these word problems for you. Okay? P, it says a big burger has 1/4 pound of meat. A super burger has 1/3 pound of meat. How much more meat is used for the super burger? So what's my problem there is 1/3. I want to find the difference in those two, and the difference is when I subtract 1/3 minus 1/4. Okay, 1/3 and 4. Okay, they both 3 and 4 both go into 12. And you notice that 3 is right next to 4. Whenever the numbers are right next to each other, the smallest number they will fit into is actually the product of the two. You have to multiply the two. Smallest number 3 and 4 will go into is 3 times 4. The smallest number 6 and 7 will go into is 6 times 7. The smallest number 99 and 100 will go into is 99 times 100. So a good little trick for you. You don't have to work so hard. I did 3 times 4. I got a 1 times 4. 1/3 is the same as 4/12. I did 4 times 3 to get 12. I got a 1 times 3. And 4/12 minus 3/12 is 1/12. That was P equals 1/12. I'm going to go find 1/12. There's tuba. P is tuba. All right. Last one I'll do for you today, and you can come back for all the answers tomorrow, is Q. Q says, Kent walked 3/4 of a mile on Monday. I'm going to go right number line. Sometimes that helps me. On Tuesday, he walks 1/8 less than Monday. How far did he walk altogether? So on Tuesday, this is Monday, and this is Tuesday, he did 1/4 less. I'm not, or 1/8 less. I'm not writing 1/8. I'm writing 3/4 minus 1/8. And this is how far he walked altogether. I got to do this, but I got to do this and then add my answer to that. That makes sense? So let's go figure out what is 3/4 plus 3/4 minus 1/8. Okay. And I'm going to do this 3/4 minus 1/8 up here because those are numbers that I need to change the denominator. Now I always say, see if the small one fits in the big one. 4 fits into 8. Why do I do that? Because if that fits into this, I don't have to change that second one, right? I'm going to go to 8s, and I've already got this as 1/8. How many 8s is 3/4? Well, I did 4 times 2, so I go to 3 times 2. 6/8 minus 1/8 equals 5/8. So that's 5/8. I have to go 3/4 plus 5/8. And you say, oh, I got to change the denominator again. But I don't really. If I pay attention, right, those are the same number. I changed 3/4 to 6/8. I know that's 6/8. So I'm just going to change 6/8, right, and plus 5/8. And that equals 11/8, which sounds kind of weird, doesn't it? Right? Why does it sound weird? Because it's improper. Okay, if I use 8 of those 8s, it'll be 1 whole. And if I use 8 of them, I have 11 minus 8, 3 left. So Q ends up being 1 3/8 miles, and it's way up there. 1 3/8. Okay, that's Q. Okay, I'm going to say toothpaste. All right. All right, good luck on the rest. Have fun with that. Don't forget, take a picture of your work, a good picture. So you'll probably be submitting 2 pictures, all right? Unless you don't have a printer, and then it's probably all going to be on one, okay? But you can figure out what the answer is, all right? In fact, if you want, you might be able to turn this into Google Slide, make some text boxes, and put them in there like you want. Anyway, good luck, everybody, okay? Happy Wednesday. We will see you on Aloha Thursday.